Why your mind makes decision you don't even realize. Daniel Kahneman. What if some of the biggest decisions of your life aren't actually being made by you? Think about it. You see a product marked 50% off, and suddenly it feels like a bargain. Someone speaks confidently in a meeting, and you automatically assume they are right. You meet someone for the first time, and within seconds, your mind has already decided what kind of person they are. But here's the fascinating part, your brain can make decisions before you even realize you are deciding. That's the central idea behind Daniel Kahneman's groundbreaking book, Thinking Fast and Slow. Kahneman explains that our mind operates in two very different ways. One is fast, it reacts instantly, uses intuition, and helps us make everyday decisions without thinking too much. The other is slow. It pauses, analyzes, questions, and requires real mental effort. Fast thinking is incredibly useful, but sometimes it jumps to conclusions, and that's where things get interesting. Imagine someone sends you a short message saying, "We need to talk." Your brain might immediately create 100 stories. Did I do something wrong? Is something bad happening? But none of those thoughts are facts. They are your mind trying to fill in the blanks. Your first thought may be automatic, your next thought can be a choice. This is why slowing down matters, especially when you are making important decisions about money, relationships, career, or your future. Before you react, pause. Ask yourself, what do I actually know? And what am I simply assuming? That tiny pause can save you from a very expensive mistake. Thinking faster isn't always smarter. Sometimes thinking slower is the real superpower. So the next time your mind gives you an instant answer, don't automatically trust it. Pause, question, look again. Because mastering your mind doesn't mean stopping your thoughts. It means learning when to listen to them and when to challenge them. If this insight made you think differently, like, comment, share, and subscribe to 5 Minute Book Club for more powerful ideas from life changing books. Your mind is a powerful, but the moment you learn to question it, you become even more powerful. Till then, keep learning, keep motivating, and keep shining. Thank you so much, guys.